Welcome to our channel where we make banking easier by guiding you through step-by-step processes. Welcome to our channel where we make banking easier by guiding you through step-by-step processes. Receiving your new PNC debit card is an exciting moment because it unlocks access to your funds and convenient spending options. To start using your card safely and swiftly, you need to activate it first. Here is the professional, step-by-step method to activate your PNC debit card with confidence and ease. First, locate the activation options available to you. PNC offers 3 main ways to activate your debit card: by phone, online, or through the PNC mobile banking app. Let's go through each method in detail so you can pick what suits you best. Step 1. Activating by phone. Locate the activation sticker on your new PNC debit card, which typically displays the phone number dedicated for card activation. Using a phone, dial that number and follow the automated instructions, which usually request your card number, expiration date, and possibly your personal identification information to verify your identity. Once the system confirms your details, it will activate your card, often immediately or within a few minutes. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official PNC Bank website and log into your online banking account with your credentials. If you don't have an online account yet, you can easily register by providing your account details and personal information. After logging in, find the Card Activation section on the dashboard or within your account services. Enter your debit card number and other requested details and submit the activation request. Your card should be activated promptly once all information is verified correctly. Step 3. Activate through the PNC mobile banking app. Open the PNC app on your smartphone and sign in securely with your username and password or biometrics if enabled. Navigate to the card services or activation area within the app's menu. Follow the prompts to enter your debit card information and complete the activation process. The app usually processes the activation right away so you can start using your card without delay. Important tips to remember: always activate your card in a secure environment to protect your personal data. Never share your card details or PIN with anyone. And if you encounter any issues during activation, contact PNC customer support immediately for assistance. By following these clear steps, you ensure your PNC debit card is activated quickly and is ready for your daily transactions, online shopping, ATM withdrawal, or in-store purchases safely and smoothly. Activate your card today and enjoy seamless access to your funds wherever PNC is accepted. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful banking tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for upcoming videos that make your financial life easier and more informed.